Right. Awan na.
Sao-sao ka pa lang padleta ko ay i-share ko iti group chat tayo.
Well, sige. Greeting sak. Naimbag nga rabi tayo manan at narito na naman po yung live streaming po natin. Sa tulong po ni Pastor Norman. Tapos kahapon, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-view. And I'd like to greet our kumpare Dan March, John Arrebutaso, Bang Arabi, ni ako Ray Telio, and ni Frida Tutanes, Lander Tutanes, Lenford, Anyapay, Adupay. Amin kayo dito abroad, so maraming salamat po sa suporta at tulong po. Kita Vizcaya, La Union, Pangasinan, and dito rin sa Benguet. Sa mga kainsan, ka-YouTube natin dito. So andito na naman po kami para magbigay aliw o kanta para po sa inyo. Ayun. Paring Dante, kumusta? Paring Junar. Yuhu! Ayun, habang hinihintay po natin yung mga kasama natin. Naimbag rabi kani Brother Norman in family. Okay. Ni Apo Bulusan naimbag rabi. And ni Ma'am BG's Live. Ano pa po ang mga yun? Lahat po ng kainsan po natin dyan. Ka-YouTube natin dyan. Magandang gabi. Okay. Share mo. Bigyan ka ng request. Nag-request. Ayun. Nagasat nga daw tayo kakabsat. Lagi dyan mangmangan. Enjoy. Tapos jamming ulit tayo mamaya si Sir Country Lover. Busy siguro. Sabi niya kahapon lilipat daw sila. Okay. Good evening. The Ifugao-san. Ayun. Ayun. Good evening, sir. Ako, ni Ma'am Lynn Agsio. Good evening po. At kanta tayo ulit. Habang nanonood ng ano to? 24 oras. Habang nagkakape. Okay, I'd like to do first song, country song. As you walk away, as we say goodbye, tender lie, say you'll never stop loving me, just as if it were true. How much more damage now, honestly, could one tender lie do? When we fall so far, are we wrong to try? Fight off this fruit with a tender lie. Say you're gonna come back to me and believe that it's true. How much more damage now, honestly, could one tender lie do? When we loved before, do you still deny keeping up the truth? Where the tender lie, say you're gonna come back to me. I believe that it's true. How much more damage now, honestly, could one tender lie do? How much more damage now, honestly, could one tender lie do? Yun, muna nga bilang. Okay, magandang gabi ulit. Para kada tayo amin, dahil muna nga kanta. So, nag-j request. Mabalin tayo nga kantaan. No, kaya tayo. Adamat nag-j no, kaya yung mati, akala mo yung adamat ni Brother Norman. Ayan. Mapa-Tagalog, mapa-English. Kaya natin. Merry Christmas gayam kada tayo amin. Sa Paskong darating, nais ko ikaw pa rin, ang aking kapiling, at sa mga araw pa darating, walang iba pangarap ko, ikaw pa rin. Kung ito'y panaginip, ay ayaw ko nang magising. Pag-ibig ko iyo, kahit na hindi Pasko, ang buhay ko ay lagi lang sa'yo. Sana'y huwag magbabago ang matamis mong hindi Pasko at lagi mong mahalin. Pag-ibig ko kahit na hindi Pasko, Pasko, Pasko ang buhay ko ay lagi na sa'yo. Pag-ibig ko kahit na hindi Pasko, Pasko, Pasko ang buhay ko ay lagi na sa'yo. Tapos kung darating pag-ibig ko ikaw pa rin. Merry Christmas, advance. Wala. Ay, may JR, ay, adani kwa. From Thailand, Ma'am Emeline, hello. Okay, ayun. Ni ada ni paring Dan Marts. Tamsak dan po kuna ni Maridel Lunay. Dan, good evening, Pastor Norman. Kunana, Pastor. Ayun. JR Dalanggit TV. Tamsak dan, kapatid. Ayun. From TIS. Ayun, dikit na din. Yahoo! Okay, salamat po sa pagpunta po dito. Dagitaman nga. Makapalagip ti utang. Antay nga, di bali, uray malagip ti utang, malipatan tumutlaang. Ayun. Akon jacket pa rin, kuna ni Darn Marks. Jacketan na ka ni Pastor Norman. Meron na pala, kuna na ay. So, yun, big shout out. Country lover. Ayun. Shout out ni Sir Dante. Yahoo, yahoo! It's a good TV. You. Ay, Kapsat Dan March. Okay. Okay.
Ayo, aku udah tarik marak pabit. May tagil ilat, kantak takalat na padlay.
Sige. Kanta tayo ti gospel song sa dayto ya.
Nagin tayo na lang ta imonit pa.
Okay. English. Who am I that the Lord only here, there to know my name, here to feel my hurt. Who am I that the bright morning star would choose to light the way for everyone involved? Not because of who I am, not because of what you've done, not because of what I've done, not because of who you are. I am waiting. Here's today and gone tomorrow. The wave turns in the ocean. Over and the wind, still you hear me when I'm calling. Or you catch me when I'm falling. Tell me who I am. Who am I? Got the eyes to see my sea. Touch me once again. Who am I? Got a voice I can't see. Call out to the rain. Come storming. Not because of who I am, not because of what you've done, because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am our greatly great every day in God tomorrow. Wait turns in the ocean. Forever we're still you. Hear me when I'm falling, or catch me when I'm falling. Told me who I am. I'm yours. Not because of who I am, not because of what you've done, not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am our quickly waiting, entertain God tomorrow. Wait turns in the ocean. Paper and the wind still you hear me when I'm calling. Ask me when I'm falling. Told me who I am. I'm yours. Oh, I'm yours. I am yours. Ayun. Who am I? Naimbag nga malayam amin. Panagkakapi. Ay, ada ganti ko. Nabasa tayo ito eh. Oh, yun. Naikabsat na. Oh, yeah. Tapi man naikabsat na. Ay, ano ba? Ngayon ko na nato. Pwede bahay mabalin. Si Brother Norman po ang bahala kasi siya ang boss. Ako lang po yung taga gasolina niya. Siya yung taga-drive. Makapalagip, utang ko na na. Pwede babahay ko na ni JR Dalagi TV. Mega shout out kakabsat. Ayun. Oy, mabalin, duoy di balasang. Okay. Dong Kamiling. Mabalin, sir. Okay. Shout out bro kuno ni Madam VG's Live at JR Dalagit. Yun na yun. Request ni Brother Dong Kamiling. Duoy. Ore awan ni Kwarog. Ay nunggi wala siya. Kaya kiya. Lay ilan. Budak ay kapsa. At ikan man kinibit. Nakilaem. Yata ay masyada. At ako'y daw sa lagat mo. Aman ka din na buta. Bigla nga na-dip. Sorry. Nakapsot J signal. Madinansa nga ko ha. Kantaan jay duoy. Makakunanakat pang finale. Baliwan tayo na lang. I-last tayo. Baloy song. Ayat dyan na ibulos. Ano na? Ikahan ko tumid isang makusong sika. Yun ay sibalan pulos sinapan inbayan. Sumamujud inapo wag mo pinagan ano.
Ashita puso waragayang dahil siyo Kapsay pansyano warain sipo Sipuson ipilos mo sayang kamidip na ko May udisong sikap Sikay man sinmakan Sikay yung suway man kakasata Ingat dyan di ka ni saya dyan ay sumakan At taluluwa Ships na dason dyan ang sikanay Itudod mo Tani budos ko Sayang na entong gusto Idap na to Kapsay pansyano warain siya Sipupison ni bulos mo Sayang kami na to May udisong sikap Sikayo'y mansin baka Sikayo'y sumay man kagatasan Sikayo'y sumay man kagasatan Ibulos mo sayang kami na to
Ayat dyan na ibulos. Para kadagi dyan kakadwata yung ibaloy, kan makaawat ibaloy. Okay, maraming salamat. Agyaman na ka po amin kadagitiin may dito. LS tayo mo nito. Habang akan kanta dati agkap-kapi dati mangmangan. Ayun. Na-request dito. Okay, I will be here. Ay, kantaan ni Kwa, ni Brother Norman. Ada gamin, anya diyan, ada gamin ti akin paborito. So, madamdama ni Brother Norman. This shout out. Before you can call him a man, how many seas must wind up sand before she sleeps in? How many times must Cain on both fly before the forever man? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is going in the wind. Is how many times must a man go
see the sky. Yes, how many years must one man have before he can hear people cry? Yes, how many years will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, how many years can a mountain exist before each wash to the sea? Yes, how many years can some people exist before they're allowed to be free? Yes, how many times can a man turn his head pretending he just doesn't see? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
Yun, salamat, salamat. Ada gija buya kada tayo. Okay, baka ada ti kaya dita kan kana ay song. Maka popular kada kayo jay kanta ti alasa ay malas mas. Kaman nina. Kata. Okay, I'd like to do a song, kan kanang song, True Story. Nga insurat ni ikadwa tayo nga singer. Storya ti kunanan kasinsin na. So nga naaramin dito kanta nga kaman nina.
Manluluwas ang mata, ayan mangilina, ang sakit na nandam, at pagpugaw sa na damdaman. Sa kagaway, nanungay madaka, sa napalabas ay oras, ay magtutuyong tayo. Sandaya, itatapon silikod ng libong sansakit. Ipusuan ka man dinigpit-ibat yan sa sayang ibaw. Iwanas ng rin na damdaman, dapat muwapay nga lapanin na. Palpalabasan cinku Markaro'y iliw ko Mamambog hanggang maka Ay aditan man ila Anayon ay ikarkararag ko Nauway na ang hapon O sino'y pantungan Yasayan panagsaka Sanaya na itanamon silikod libo sa sakit Di puso ay kaman iniipit pato Iya sa sayapi ugaw Iwagas ng tuwid na damdaman Sindagan Uwapay nga Pamanin na Kung kamanin na Kamanin na
Ayun. Kamanina from Ivan. Okay, baka nakaready ni Brad Norman ditan. Jay, I will be here ka no, brother. Di paborito nga to kared. Paborito na.
Bahala ka pa lang patlingan host.
Ayun. Okay, lagi dyan request. Kantaan ni Brother Norman madamdama jagi jay. Request tayo nga daduma. Oy, bubsat. Ayun. Yahoo. Anya pa dito eh. What the susya? Nako. Assignment tayo man nandito yan. Dito ako bukudan di gawis. Igorot. Igorot song. Ayun. Tawag. Okay, dagi dyan na doon mga hantay nga makantatad ka. So katantay din na duma. Kan kanaimat lang. Para kada gijay ko anya di ay. Gijay ada ija abroad. Sagutan tayo ti kantang kan kanai song coming from ijay Bigis ko na sama ijay. Popular kada kayo da ito yung kanta para kada giti ada ijay abroad da ito eh. Napudot. Ito nga title na dito nga kanta kat Sakripisyo. Kan kanay song.
Bigat sinili ay naipusyan Nagpagkay man mangwanian Maghanap si kapayan Nagawad ay makilaguan Inuyak iliud Korea Adubaw iman sandayupla Kenasahul panggagatan Lanan imalian magsina Sakripisyo, sakripisyo Rigatibiyang sinadayo Nan banog pati nan iliw Nagaw ay iyaw awat ako. Ano santa ay kayong ko, sakit iawak itakaro. Malintuman ng tiyempo ay makainan na ako. Di ka siya lingkod ng uunan, ano siya gagat simpan ublaan, maminsan entan mabugawan nan, malidan ay adipay kaawatan. Yamis na bakit nalaka, maituras dilakwat siya, nan Domingo kadeng isinan na, oras di panagyaman kan Diyos Ama. Sakripisyo, sakripisyo, rigatibiyag sinadayo, ang bandog pati ng iliw ko, nagaw ay iyaw awat ako. Ano santa ay kayong ko, sa pipi awak ikataro, malintuman ng tiyempo ay makainan na ako. Makainan na ako. Ayun, thank you. Okay, butikan ka na tayo. So, akan tayo pa yung mati gospel song. I'd like to do some gospel song. Ayan. Girok tayo dito. Gospel song. Ang mga dati gospel song tayo dito. Sifa Irata. Ako to shout out Ira. Ay si Mambuya ya. Ada. Ayan na. Ay ada gaya. Okay, Bubsat, OFW Vlogs, kung sakripisyo nga anusan uray na sakit ibagbagi kan ublalata. Tapno ada pag-eskwelal, agpay suday tamam. Dayta ti ka-importantian talaga no, napan ka ti abroad, talaga nga anusan. Wag lang mo tang dagi jay kaslay jay mapaspasama, iji dadumang ako. Iso nga ingat-ingat tayo, piman dita abroad. Mark, Cabreto official ko na. Oh, yun. Naimbag Rabi, magandang gabi po. Lahat po ng kasama natin ngayon dito sa LS, headed by our pastor, mentor ko gamin. Ayun. So, bahala pa lang ni... Ayan. So, I'd like to do some gospel song. As the Lord of my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up It's a new dawn. It's time to sing the song again. Whatever may pass in whatever lies before me, let me sing with the evening hour. It's the Lord of my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Seems like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. You reach in the slow to anger. Your name is great, when your heart is kind. For all your goodness, I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, worship His holy name. Oh, I worship Your holy name. Worship Your holy name. Thank you. God bless po sa lahat.
Di ba?
Kapi-kapi. Brother Norman, baka da kaya't napiman nga kanta dita. Okay, kanta-kanta tayo lang ta para kada kayo. Unang kanta natin mo, country song, Tagalog, then Ilocano din po. Salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa atin. Sabi ko man, kagnanayon tayo nga kakadwa na salon natin nga kanayon tayo sa mati pamilya. Exactly how I feel right now. You're free to say no. There is no one here to judge you. I only love you. Don't you close your eyes. You can trust me. It's real. It's exactly how I feel. Tell me all your dreams. What you think love me? We left the world outside. Used to give more time. We see forever. Knowing that this moment might be we ever find. Every breath of you are. Tell the story that I have finally found the truth. What I see in you, what I feel with every day. Simple beauty of your heart. Every breath of who you are. Tell me all your dreams. What you take, love me. We left the world outside. Erase to keep all night. Promising forever. Knowing that this moment might be ever find. Be ever find. Kape po. Okay, malapit na. So, kunan niya kadto yung ni Pastor Norman kanan ng 8. So, kanta tayo. Baka talo, kanta tayo pa hindi talo. Yung kanta ka din ni Yorman, to be Kate niya. Ay, Just Turner. Like to do a song coming from Just Turner. Like the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soul and slow. Maybe we got a place to go. I hope you understand. Just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Like the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on so it's slow. Maybe we got a place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about you so long. Ever feel the feeling quite strong? I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. And nobody ever loved nobody the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I wanted to. Lock the doors and turn the lights turn low. Some music on the soul is low. Maybe we can get a place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about it so long. Never feel the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe nobody turns me on just to be your man. Chester,
Try lang, try. Practice makes perfect. Wala na. So, da. Makakanta ni Pastor Norman. Eh, urayin na jay request ka no, Pastor. Naman. Okay, 7:54. Ang oras na yan ay hatid sa inyo ni Pastor Norman. Kaya dapat 6 minutes tayo. Salamat apo manong kadagijay binmisita kada tayo dahito LS matagot ako. Okay. Ini dipananikan. Nalipata ko niya ni Pastor Norman. Tangka pwede may sapay nga English. Saan ba dito?
This mountain, a Shenandoah River, I saw her over than the trees, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze, country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. All my memories gather around her. Finest lady, stranger to the water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, missing days of moonshine, teared up in my eyes, country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. I hear the voice in the morning, how she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far country road. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road, take me home. Country road, country road, take me home. Ayun, malapit na.
Pare, last two songs muna. You have 78 viewers in the house. Last two songs, pare. Dalawa.
Okay.
Iwa pa nga kanta.
Like to do 1974 sama dating nga kanta. Ay, 70s. Shinandua. Natalie won't give her heart to James Day. Yes, gone red and teenage queen. Standing together in an angry world. One boy fighting for one girl. I wanna be loved like that. I wanna be loved like that. I promise you can't take that. If you're gonna love me, I wanna be loved like that. I never give up my mind, and I won't break. I'm never worried for anything. But money deeper, it came from the heart. In a night that was never torn apart. I wanna be loved like that. I wanna be loved like that. Promise you can't take that. If you're gonna love me, I wanna be loved like that. Old man kneeling all alone. Like these flowers in the garden stone. 7 years now she's gone. His devotion still going strong. I wanna be loved like that. I wanna be loved like that. I promise you can't take back. If you're gonna love me, I wanna be loved. I wanna be loved like that. I wanna be loved like that. I promise you can't take back. If you're gonna love me, I wanna be loved like that. And if you're gonna love me, I wanna be loved like that. Yun. Final song. Once again, salamat po sa tulong, suporta po sa ating LS.
Alam mo pare kung ilan na yung viewers mo ngayon. 178. 178. 178 ang nanonood sa'yo. Oh. Pero mag-last song ka kasi may susunod na mag-LS.
Ay, sige.
Okay, pare.
Final song. It's amazing that speak right to my heart. When I think in the words, you can light up the night. Trying someday I could never explain what I hear in you don't say a thing. There's nothing in your face, and know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me ever upon. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking loud. But when you hold me near, we run and drown. Stern waves could never define what's been said in your heart and mine. Spell place lets me know that you'll leave me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me ever upon. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Yahoo! Yahoo! Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta at tulong ulit. Sa pela kumata nasalon ato yung amin ita, ngarabi kan iti agnanayon, and also to our family. Pagyaman tayo mat ni Brother Norman, Pastor Norman, isupi manti, may porporsige kada tayo. Mangtultulong kada tayo ang amin kata. Thank you. Tulong po. Kasamat ni Dan March. Aglut-luto ka no gamin tikwa iso nga hanap sapay nga mak comment tay. Sarda nga aglut-luto ka no ti Papa. Papa itan.
Ay, Papa. Itugot tanto ni Pare Dan Mas maminsan dito tampag paltog man ti Papa.
Wen ibagbagana.
When. Sige ta mabantay ganop.
Wen.
Pare Dan March, kita-kits tayo no kan. Hopefully maawan ko madayt yung COVID garo din tapno nawaya tayo.
Garod.
Kaya drama tayo tayo sunto ti final nga quarter ti tan channel tayo niya.
Wen. Nagdrama kami. Di aduon tayo tapos sa pagbibingayan tayo nga ipus.
Asjay.
Wen.
Sige pare.
Tanong nga Papa. Wen.
Ada sumarnong ako ag LS nga kadwa tayo EJ the Ifogosan Darlings iso nga every 7 to 8 ka. Slot mo pa lang tata.
Ay, sige.
Just in case
Thank you.
Just in case ada ti papanam, no, ada tira do mga schedules mo, ibagam kenyak ta mabalin LS ang kalata.
No, 24, awantan niya.
Or win gayam. Win. Awan ta ti 24. Okay, goodbye kami ta agur uray mo tin just sumarno ag LS. Thank you very
LS
much.
gayam, brother?
Ni Shireen, OFW ka Ilians.
Shireen, OFW ka
Shireen.
Ilians.
When, uso di channel na.
Ay, tatlo makwamat, makapantayo.
Sige pare. Ngem hang ka mabalin umakyat ako, na live isuna, awantihan nga kasto yung StreamYard.
Comment lang.
Comment lang.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
Salamat.
Good night. God bless. And con pare.
God bless po. Okay.